With Dominion VUE's accounting module, get a comprehensive view of your dealership's financial performance. Keep track of all transactions and related accounts, including money paid and received, in the general ledger. Store and organize all information in journals, with hyperlinks for quick access to specific items in each posting. Easily make a purchase order or track vendor purchases under Accounts Payable. To notify customers of the receivable balance, go to Accounts Receivable and create statements, which lets you set parameters and print. Once payments are entered, they automatically appear in the receipt book. Our Schedule Reconciliation provides the ability to write off per minimum balance in bulk, or simply select one or more entries for quick adjustments. Streamline your dealership finances and make the best decisions in real time. Visit DominionDMS.com for more information.